Hello, good morning. We are off in Toronto Pearson again. Hello, we're on our way to Tokyo, Narita. It's gonna be a 24-hour flight total to get to Bangkok. First 13-hour leg. Hello, I'm looking like a hot mess. We have 2 hours until our next flight. That was the most gruesome flight ever. Okay, what did you think about how long the flight was?
Very, very long.
The Thai airline that we went on was very nice.
Amazing.
The food was very good. We had pork and rice.
And I was actually very impressed with the bathroom. Very clean.
And now we're waiting for my mom's other friends to meet us here at the baggage carousel. Once we do that, then we'll head to the hotel. This is our room. It's pretty spacious. Very, very nice. Good morning. It's 7:30 right now. We're gonna go eat breakfast. The food here is amazing. It's very hot, but we just found a cool area to stand. What else? I think this is more of a culture shock than Japan and Korea, but it's good. Burning hot. Got 2 waters with me. Doing a circle around this.
Yeah, you can have this. You have.
It's so hot. Oh my god. My legs are sticking to my skirt. Apparently this place is 7 stories tall. I was checking the prices for Zara here, and honestly, Zara is pretty expensive, and in my opinion, the value is not really worth it everywhere, even in Japan. You have to really find like sales and stuff, but right now it's like kind of mid. We're only on the 2nd floor, my boy. We're never gonna make it. There's so many floors and they're so big. Right now we're in THAILAND and this is a Korean brand and it's throwing me back and I miss Korea. stuff here. There's a lot of stuff. I love this view. After this, we're gonna go back to our hotel. So probably walk around our area as well. It's a new day, and today we're gonna go to Pattaya. So we are at Ancient City, which is like this outdoor museum, and right now we're waiting for a tour guide to get us our entrance tickets, but it's raining today. This is the Fit Korea, American Eagle, New Balance, and Zara.
So happy and yeah. Mixing with the room temperature normally.
How you sleep?
This is the room. Bathroom. It's like this. And a lot of side space here. And 2 beds. Little mini fridge. At the very end, there's a balcony, which I did not expect at all, actually. And it looks into the inside of the hotel. I don't know if we're gonna use that, to be honest. And then even more side space here, which is cool. The show itself was nice. It's fun. It's a lot of like really good posture by the performers, swaying and walking like a model. But it wasn't like crazy dancing or anything, or actual singing. It was a lot of lip syncing. Today, we're gonna go see 4 attractions. First one we're going to is the Laser Buddha. Really busy, but apparently we'll finish early today. Guys, so you know that I usually post some pretty positive content, but I wanted to take an opportunity to spread some awareness about my experience going to the Nongnuch Botanical Gardens. As you all know, we went on a private tour, and so the itinerary was pretty set, and unfortunately, we didn't do enough research on how the elephants we were supposed to see during this part of the itinerary were being taken care of. So when I first walked in, I saw them and I wasn't really sure. I was a little bit skeptical, but I kind of ignored it. We kept walking around, we looked around the gardens, and the gardens are really beautiful. But then we started seeing the shows, and then I got even more skeptical. So while I was watching this show that you see here, I started doing some research because I thought that the elephants were just so uniquely trained to, kind of walk around the room. And then I did some more research, and then I found out that the elephants are sometimes drugged. This part here, you can see people are riding on the tusks of the elephants and paying to take pictures with them. Some elephants were being held by chains or forced by spears. And especially that latter show that you just saw right now, I was so disturbed by it. I ended up crying and I left the show early, and I told my parents that we have to go. It's not right for us to be staying here. So we ended up leaving, and I'm not a huge animal person, but I could just tell that these elephants were not being treated right. Anyway, I highly encourage any of you who are planning to visit Thailand in the future to please do your research before you plan on visiting elephants or animals of any kind. Don't do what I did, because I really regretted it and I felt absolutely awful. So don't pay your money to see Nongnuch. I hope that could spread some awareness. I will include some links down in the description if you're interested in looking at some more ethical ones for your own trip. On a more positive note, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the Thailand vlog, because it's a lot better. Going back to Bangkok.
Same.
I didn't expect we were gonna go on a train ride today. I have to pee. We're back in Bangkok at the same hotel, and we got a different type of room this time. This one has a jacuzzi, which is lit. The washroom is quite big once again. Closet. 2 twin beds. Oh, we can see the city from here this time. That's pretty cool. Got this exact tank top in Korea for $6 Canadian. This is $4 Canadian.
Something else that I could fulfill. I'm wishing for love like
the afternoon now. We are checking out and we're gonna be heading to Malaysia. I'm gonna end this vlog here since we're just gonna be going to the airport. I will see you in my next vlog.